What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Good morning to you guys. So this video we're gonna go over something that's really important, because if you make this mistake, it's gonna cost you thousands of dollars, right? And that's patents. For Amazon products. You might find those products on Amazon. You do your product research on the web app or the Jungle Scout Chrome extension, and you find this like dream product, right? It has super low reviews. It has crazy revenue like 20, 30, 40,000 a month with only 10 or less reviews, right? And you're probably wondering, wow, I found the best product ever. So the number one thing that you guys want to do, whether or not you think a product is patented or not, or the stats look really good, or decently good enough to jump onto, you need to first look if it's patented or not. Now let's go look for products that might be patented, right? So we want to look at anything. So let's say the anglizer ruler, right? Angle ruler. So you search your product, just search the most broad key term, right? Whether it's an anglizer ruler, barbecue gloves, a pet hair remover, search those things. And basically how this works is that if you take those main keywords and you put it in something like Google Patents, you search that up on Google, and then you enter that information, and if you find an exact model of what you want to sell on there, or that product on Amazon on Google Patents, that means it's patented and you can jump onto it. So if you look at these, you can check. You see, obviously there's a lot of people selling it, right? Now if it was low reviews, that'd be showing a sign to you. You'd be like, oh, maybe I can sell this, right? So let's go to Google Patents. Now let's search the anglizer ruler. Okay, so obviously that's not on here. You can also search other keywords related to it, like the angle ruler, and let me see here. Then you just scroll down and look for pictures of that exact model of that product on Amazon, right? So you can scroll down here and look at the pictures, and obviously this is not the angle ruler. This is not the exact same model that we see on Amazon that everyone else is selling. So in this case, you're good. You're good to go. Now you're probably wondering, okay, what if I see, a product on there that's patented, or has a patent pending, or the patent's about to expire. Now, guys, if it's a patent pending or if it's about to expire, you can take the risk if you want. But like I said, it's you're risking money here. You're risking a lot of money. Honestly, I put the work in to find in a different product, right? But it's really up to you guys what you want to do. I'm advising that you don't do that. Now we're actually going to look up a product that is patented. I'm trying to remember what it was. Alright, so now we're going to look up a product that is patented, right? So if you guys have seen this product before, travel tray. Now this product is patented, and you see all these low reviews, right? Low reviews of people that are at the top sponsor list. They're low reviews, right? It looks good. Low reviews, low reviews, low reviews. And this product has been out for I think it's about a year and a half now. It's been a while, because I was thinking about getting into this product as opposed to my old one. Like, it was in between this product and the anglizer ruler. And once I figured out that this product was patented, I was like, nope, I ain't doing this. And the reason these people have low reviews is because people are constantly getting kicked off. That's why you don't see any people in here that have a ton of reviews, that have like maybe over 100. This person isn't even the exact same model, so he's okay. But it's this model right here, right? So we go ahead and go on Google Patents, and here you go. I already pulled it up. You can search travel tray, the most broadest keywords, and this is what shows up once you scroll down a little bit. Yeah, this is the exact same model. You see this model right here? Exact same model. So that's something that we need to avoid. You see, that's basically exactly the same thing. So these are the type of products that we need to avoid on the marketplace, because if we don't, we're going to get kicked off by Amazon, and we're risking our Amazon seller account and thousands of dollars. And you guys, probably similar to me, have a small budget, so we're risking more than just $1,000 on the product. We have to talk about the product launch as well. So you guys definitely need to look into this. Look at Google Patents. Look at other patent websites if you aren't sure. I forget. Let me see if there's another one here. But it's really easy to spot these. So let me just pull up the Chrome extension here to see what the stats look like, because keep in mind this product has been out for over a year now, so I want to see what the stats look like. Alright, here we go. Now if you look at these, the stats look absolutely beautiful, right? They're absolutely beautiful. 21,000, only 30 reviews, 12,000, only 19 reviews. This looks amazing, right? It looks awesome. You want to jump right into this right when you see this product, right? No, that's not the right thing to do. Now, if you want to get confirmation on these type of things, you can post these on the Amazon group chats, or these Facebook groups, and other people may be able to give you advice on it as well, because if you see products like this have extremely low reviews and they have a whole bunch of revenue, most likely it's patented. So definitely you need to check that out, guys. It's really important that you do. Now let me see here if there's any other patent websites you guys can use just in case. So yeah, you can go on this site as well, uspto.go, and let's see. So apparently you can search for patents on here as well. So yeah. So you guys can definitely check these sites out, Google Patents and USPTO. But yeah, guys, I just want to cover that in this video, because I know product research, product research in general is hard, but you might fall upon that product that you're like, oh, this is my dream product, this is absolutely awesome. Give me a second. But you guys need to consider this, because if you don't, you can lose a lot of money on Amazon, right? And we want to play it safe for the long term. We don't want to just make a whole bunch of money here and then get kicked off of Amazon, because it's not just about making money here, right? We're trying to play with the rules. We're trying to follow the rules so that we don't get banned or kicked off of Amazon, so we can't sell anymore. So keep that in mind, guys. That's all I really wanted to talk about for this video. Just another money saving tip that you guys need to watch out for. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.